Shout out to owner at the Deal Team 6. He's been killing it with the deals this holiday season. Guys, this is a killer deal if you're gonna hack it. Yes, very low for two tools, for two Dewalt tools. Unbelievable, guys. All right, so and don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, this is the Black Friday 2022. This is hackable atomic 20-volt max cordless brushless compact drill impact driver combo tool with 1.3 amp hours. Yes, the batteries are not the best batteries. They're pretty much the sorriest batteries you guys can get for Dewalt. But you're getting two solid tools that are plenty powerful for the prosumer, even for a light duty professional. For the homeowner, it's just overkill, but it still works. All right, so it's $149 if you guys go down to the free gift with purchase, and I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. You guys could choose, obviously choose the most expensive, which is this is the, where is that at? I know I saw it somewhere. Oh, 159. 159 is the highest add to card. Let's see what the magic number is. Hey, what's up with my internet? All right, $76.92 for the drill. $72, guys. $72 for a drill and impact drivers. They are solid tools, don't get me wrong. $72, that's just a killer deal. Go get them. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.